All right, how's it going, YouTube? So, I just got some new batteries in. I want to break them in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this car out. I don't want to test it because I have an event coming up Sunday, but I do want to test these tires. These are the tires that I have on my son car, and I ran these last year. But ever since I started to run reactions, I just been running them. But I just want to see what the car does, and also want to try to break in the batteries. We plan on doing testing tomorrow, but my focus won't be on my car. It will be on my son's car if we can get out tomorrow to test. So right now what I'm going to do is, it's very windy outside, so I'm just going to try to break in the batteries. Hopefully I can go through two of them. If not, I'm going to definitely do one and see how the tires is hooking up. Supposedly the track that we're going to on Sunday in Connecticut is very slippery. It was just made, so we'll see how, you gotta have some type of, you gotta tune for the traction, tune for the track, should I say. So let me go ahead and get out there, and you guys stay tuned. So what we testing again is the tires, because I got different tires up here, and the new batteries. These batteries normally take 3 cycles for them to be broken in, so this is gonna be its first cycle, and I have another one right here. So alright guys, sorry for the babbling. Let's go ahead and get some testing. Alright guys, hopefully y'all hear me. So y'all see it's windy. I'm gonna just do some tests, try to drain the battery. I'm gonna try to do some launches to see what happens. I'm not gonna be doing much babbling, so just stay tuned. And then I'm gonna just try to do some runs back and forth, drain the battery. Ooh. It's the wind, y'all. This is the old spot here. If y'all notice where it's at, it's the old spot. It was locked down for a minute from the COVID. It was doing COVID testing here, so now it's open back up. So it's not the best road for testing, though, I'll tell you that. Just show y'all something. See the tires, all the rocks. So it's not the ideal place for testing. The winds suck right now, but if we had a race today and you wanted to get down there, this is what you would be doing, trying to get down there. Tires is warming up a bit, trying to stay lower. I notice when I go high, the wind spits a little bit more. Once again, y'all, I'm sorry about the wind. Couple more hits, then I'll probably go to the next battery. Started spinning in the big end, but these tires is holding, are holding. I'm not gonna say they're holding better than the reactions right now, but they're holding. Normally I don't warm these tires, I just put them to the line, but since it's not so hot out today, yeah, that's some good pulls. Check the tires out and change your battery real quick. Actually warm. Actually warm. Let's see if we can get one more hit before we change the battery. See if it'll spin on us again. Oh, overheating. I'm gonna just change the battery and let it cool down. All right, so right now it went into thermal shutdown. I don't know if y'all heard me, so I'm gonna repeat it. And that's for me doing so many test hits. Most places run one and done. When I do the best 2 out of 3. So if your car could do at least 3 hits back to back and not get hot, you should be good. That was about, I don't even know how much hits, but it was more than enough. So I'm gonna just let it cool down a bit. I'm gonna change the battery and then we'll do some more test hits. So far the tire, you gotta show y'all that. Tire is holding up. So far, not bad. These are the tires I run on my son car, but I'm just trying to see how they'll do on my car in case I need them for Sunday. So sorry about that, guys. So let's go ahead and change the battery and let it cool down. Stay tuned, guys. All right, YouTube, I got it turned up a little bit. I'm gonna try to drain the battery faster and call this video a wrap. That was one clean pass. See if we get a few more in. Once it picks up speed and the wind gets to it, start pushing it, but other than that, it's doing good. Get one more in and I'm gonna call it a day. Probably take y'all back to the bench, but other than that, I'm done outside. See the body all moving. That was a good launch. Maybe one more, maybe one more. Tires feel like they're warming up and they hold it. Hopefully it'll take it. YouTube. So this is after the testing. Just want to show you why you shouldn't test in a bumpy parking lot with a bunch of rocks. So for me, burning out and everything like that, bam, tire tore. And that was from a rock. And these brand new tires. They just started to break in. And from being in that parking lot, it had so much rocks in there. I guess I tore it even when I was doing burnouts or when I was doing pulls. But these tires did pretty good, especially to not be so heating them up. So it saved me time on heating up the motor or the system if I could just launch with these. So you can imagine on a nice day, these would even be warmer. So for right now, I gotta stick to my reactions for the event. I'm not sure. I'm not doing no testing with this tomorrow. Like I said, today was just to test out the tires, and that blew. I won't be getting some tires until after the event, so that sucks. So for now, reactions, and let me go ahead and show y'all something. All right, YouTube. So also, I just wanted to say that I was able to break in both batteries. I'm gonna just do a quick. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna do a quick little test. I don't want the light in your face. Just a quick little test, see what a battery volt is at, because this is the first run on the battery. It's at 74%. I think I could bring that down some more and then go from there. I don't know. I'll probably take it outside to get a few more hits. I didn't even get to test the other battery. Let me go ahead and do that right now. That one is at 69, so that one went down a little bit better if y'all see that. But yeah, 69 and 70. That was the first break-in. But anyway, let me get to what I was showing y'all. This is one of our local hobby shops around here. So this is, if y'all remember the last bill I did, this is another bill he got going, but this is for sand. He does a lot of sand, drag. He does a bit of everything. Cool guy. If y'all go to the locals event on my page, you'll see him there. Of one of the cars that I worked on, I believe he brought it there and was driving it. But so what happened here was, I'll probably do a separate video on this, but I just wanted to show you how cool looking this was. This is for sand drag racing. Something we'll probably get into in the winter. We're not sure yet. But anyway, he ended up running this car by the beach and it went into the water, he said. So he's getting cogging now with the sensor wire, and so when he takes it out, it runs perfect. So right now, I'm going to see if I could go through it, see what happens. If anything, y'all stay tuned for another video of this. It would be after the drag racing and everything this weekend. So if y'all want to see this, y'all let me know. I'll also probably take it to the sand to test it because I want to make sure everything's working fine before I give it back to him. But anyway, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Quick test of the tires and the batteries, and then y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's test and tune, and then Sunday we'll be at the Connecticut races. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in.